Welcome back to What Rights Seg segment 30. I'm not too certain that it was June the 4th or the 5th or whatever that Dr. Worth and I had a conversation. I got let out of the segregation unit and put into a regular unit. However, I want to make a note that the jail guards in downtown Vancouver jail had made various attempts at trying to get from me the attorney's card that had the phone number written on the back of another jail guard who told me that it was my lawyer. So what happened is I got into a regular cell. There were some uncomfortable moments there as well in the regular unit by some people there. However, I wasn't going to let that interfere with what I was doing. I was preparing to represent myself, to take on power of attorney. I was writing out in detail as much as possible everything that happened from May the 6th up until my time of incarceration. The phone card that I was issued at the jail was stolen out of my cell. So I don't know where that went or who took that. I have no idea, no speculation on that. But it was gone, and it had the misrepresented my birth date and didn't have my full name. However, I did have still the identification armband or wristband that had the wrong information, and I also have the corrected armband or the corrected information on an armband that I had on my wrist. June 22nd comes along. I have all the papers, documentation of what happened since May the 6th and during the incarceration, and I'm in the courtroom on June the 22nd. A female judge is presiding. The Crown Prosecution says, Your Honor, such and such, the Concord security guard, wasn't coming to court no matter what. So he doesn't show up for court. The judge says, okay, the first count of the so-called verbal threat, the charge of verbal threat was dismissed, and then the second count of the alleged assault was also dismissed. So stay tuned for segment 31, and we're going to talk about what happened in the next one on What Rights.